So I've currently got a courtesy car. The i3 is away getting work done on it. So what it needed was an oxygen sensor just before the catalytic converter replaced. And to do that it's going to cost £690, which is ridiculous. But that at least has given me a chance to drive a petrol car. And if you do drive an electric car, sometimes it's good to drive a petrol car, because it just reminds you how brilliant electric actually is. Because I've been going to petrol stations and farting about with all that again, and gears and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to getting my car back. They also say that there's a TSARA case open in regards to the vehicle, so I don't know what that means. It's probably something which basically means they're probably going to take even more money off me, I don't know. So if anyone does know what that means, please let me know. But as it stands just now, it's £690 to pay just to get that sensor replaced. All the other errors have just cleared themselves after they programmed it, so hopefully nothing else is going to come back. I managed to fix the power steering myself using the laptop with the software on it, so I managed to do some of the work myself, so maybe I'll save myself a bit of money, but maybe not. So I might be driving this for a few more days. It's just some sort of petrol Mini with a huge engine in it. I don't actually know what specific type of Mini it is.